It's time to get up and get dressed, okay? We're gonna take Daddy to work. It's time to get up and get dressed, okay? We're gonna take Daddy to work.
I love you.
Hello.
Will you be a good boy for Mama today? Now say yes, sir.
Okay.
All right. Well, you have a good day and be good. Okay, I love you guys.
Love you. Toby ran some errands earlier this morning after we dropped Jared off at work, and then we came to this salvage shop that I enjoy coming to, and they were closed, so we had to go back home, give them a nap, and now we're back here again, fixing to try to find some deals maybe. There's a cast iron sink a couple hours away, but I wanted to check here first and see what this guy's prices were before I drive all the way out there and pick it up, but we'll see what they've got. You gonna be a good boy? Are you gonna be a good boy? Good. Dishwasher. There's 2 drawers, she said, and you can change them at different temperatures. Isn't that the coolest dishwasher you ever seen? Look at this. My dad is gonna love it. Jared got off early and came and surprised us.
Yeah.
He knew where we were going and popped in on us. So can I buy everything?
No.
Please.
Nothing. That's why I got off early and skipped my lunch so I could be there to make sure you didn't buy anything.
Good move.
Toby, I love you.
Ice cream date. Can you say ice cream date?
Hey,
There's been this coffee table for free on the side of the road for like least maybe a week, and it's been bugging me. I just gotta go see if it's still there. So I'm gonna go see if it's still there and check it out. Alright, here's the little table. Let's see. Oh, it's a little wiggly. Fiberboard. Probably skip just because it's fiberboard, but it's cute. Pretty much, if anything's ever wood and it's not super swollen, I pretty much always grab it, unless it's split real bad. But yeah, skip on fiberboard. So I didn't find a sink over at the salvage shop, but I get to go 2 hours away and get the sink that I wanted, which I'm super excited about. And something I didn't tell you, Sunday, I actually was able to buy a clawfoot tub. I wanted to show you I don't have the tub with me right now, it's actually in the back of the truck because we have nowhere else to put it. But I wanted to show you these set of matching feet for it. We had our clawfoot tub over at our old house and I loved it so much. I just loved it so much. And so I told my husband that when we got a new house, I was gonna have to save up and get a clawfoot tub. So I was able to buy that from my craft fair money. But that's kind of weird. You know you're an adult when you want to spend your fun spending money on a tub and a sink. That's okay, because it's gonna be wonderful. And then, this is the best part, ready? This. I was so excited. When we had our old tub, it just had a standard faucet. And so then when I saw that this one was, that it was included, I don't know, I just about freaked out. I don't know if it's original or what, but regardless, I know that these aren't cheap, separate, because I looked into that and I was not willing to pay what they were asking. So to be able to get the whole entire set, I was pretty stoked. So the tub, it doesn't need to be resurfaced or anything, just stripped on the outside and repainted, just like the feet. But I'm so excited. So those will go into the main bathroom. And I've got the best husband. I gotta say that right now. Thank you, honey, for being so amazing and trusting me in my random shenanigans of purchasing worn down stuff. But I'm excited, it's gonna be great.
Hold on a sec while I buckle up. I guess my fingers are in the way, huh? So I hustled to get off work. We got church tonight, it's Wednesday night, but I hustled to get off work because, wait for it, I'm pulling a trailer and we picked up our first piece of farm equipment. We got a pull behind DR field and brush trimmer and a quad. A good family friend of ours that we've known for a long time just moved from the country and we're selling it, and so I contacted them. She gave us a great price, and so we bought it even before our house is actually closed and actually ours. So it's a leap of faith, but we bought it and I'm stoked. Can't wait to use it and put it to work and mow our fields down. Toby was out there walking around and getting burrs in his armpits and in his head, in his hair, because it was just so tall. So can't wait to get out there, and once this fire danger's gone, get it all mowed down. And but anyway, it's crazy exciting. I don't know if you can see it back there or not, but there's the quad and the DR trimmers in front of it. So anyway, I'm stoked. It's awesome. All right, see you guys. Ready? Say yee-haw.
So Jared left yesterday to go on a 5-day hunt with his dad and his uncle and his cousin, and they're gonna be hiking down into a gorge. We're talking about hunting. I don't even see one. Is Daddy going hunting? He'll be hiking down a gorge, and I've done it before, and it is tough. But anyway, me and Toby are gonna go with Grammy and Jess and Christian, and my sister-in-law and brother-in-law, and we're gonna go to the coast for the weekend and do some fun stuff. But first, we gotta run by the bank and gotta hit a sale at Fred Meyer, and then we'll be on our way. Say hi to the turtle.
Oh, there's his head.
Hi, turtle.
Oh, little turtle.
So this past weekend, me and Toby and Grammy and my sister-in-law and brother-in-law went to the coast to pick up my sink. And while we were gone, Jared and his dad and his cousin and his uncle went on a hunting trip. And so I'll show some videos of that here in a little bit. But I wanted to show you my sink that I got. All right, so here it is. I absolutely love it. It's very big and it's solid. The only thing I'm disappointed about, there's some chips, which this one I didn't mind because it's smooth. And there's some spider cracks, which I don't mind those because they're smooth too. I'm sure they'll chip and wear over time. But this, it's super rough and chipping off. But I was able to get them to go down on the price even more because I didn't know that was going to be there. And so we'll see what I can do about that. Maybe I have no idea, fill it with epoxy or maybe epoxy clay or something like that. But there's my sink. Isn't it beautiful? It's massive. It's very, very heavy. But there it is. I can't wait to see it in my house. That was well worth the trip. Okay, so when we went to the coast, we had to stop off at a few yard sales and thrift stores. I got a few fun things. I got a few things of clothes that I really liked, really cheap, cute sweatshirts and stuff like that. And then I got some other things that were just really fun, and I'll show you now. Just a second. Okay, so I know you see the ladder right here. I got this, this blanket ladder at a yard sale for $2. I don't have anywhere to put it because obviously we're in a camp trailer, but I'm kind of in this mode where I kind of want to hoard things that I like until it's time to decorate so that I'll have a huge option to choose from of things that I love. And then if I end up not using them, then I just don't use them. But for $2, come on, you know, you can't pass up on that. I love it. It's even got these little keyhole things for hanging on the wall. So that's cute. I was pleased with that. I got this for Jared because I thought it was really cool. It even came in its box from Starbucks. It's an Oregon Been There cup, and it's got all sorts of things from Oregon on there, from, you know, the Crater Lake and stuff like that. So I thought that was fun. Got that for, well, I paid $5 for this and a shirt, so it wasn't like the best deal, but it was brand new. Still has a sticker on it, everything. And I thought it'd be a fun little gift to give him. So got him this. I got him this. Well, Toby got him this. Because after all, he is the best hunting dad ever. So there's his little present from the garage sale that Toby got him. Let's see, I got this little guy. It's like a little matchbox holder. antique one. I thought it was kind of cute. I liked it. And then we got these. Okay. I used to jump rope in high school. I used to try to jump rope, and I was wanting to get good at it. But then when I saw this Everlast jump rope with leather strips, I had to get it. I thought maybe someday I'll be super fit like a boxer and just go crazy. I don't know if I can even do that. This one might be too long. I always run into that issue. Okay, then I got this happy little pot. Perfect for the camp trailer. It's 3-quart. Got a little pot for $1. Why not, right? Let's see. And then I got this at Goodwill because it just looked so cute and made me happy. It's a little candle holder, like a little house. And I'm pleased. It's gonna be like Christmas when I open up my storage unit of my decorating bins and stuff. I'm not gonna know what's in there. It's gonna be so fun. So it'll be a while till we can decorate, but couldn't say no to this cute little guy. And then I went to an antique shop. This was a splurge because I never buy anything new. See, we can still tape it shut. I got these pillowcases. Look how cute. A little piggy. And then a second one that's a little cow. Toby, what is this?
Cow.
Are cows your favorite? Aren't they so sweet? Look at that. So I'm thinking I'll put these on the couch. In my head, I have a thought where it won't be a ton of color because I love color. I can't just stick with the neutral palette. But maybe I'm thinking I'm gonna try to go for like a boho industrial farmhouse, if that makes any sense. And this will be the colorful boho part of it, and I'm really excited. I love it. I can't wait to get pigs and cows someday. That's gonna be fun. Are we gonna get pigs and cows someday? And then the score of the day, other than my sink, is dum da dum dum dum. I have always wanted an antique laundry cart, and then I found this guy for $7. $7. $7 for this antique laundry cart. I'm so excited. The lady had put truck trunk little plastic liner at the bottom under there, and it fit perfectly, so why not just leave it, right? Uh-oh, don't break my house before I get to use it. Jump. I thought it'd be really cool to line it with like a muslin type liner so that it can hide the yucky laundry on the inside, just like my laundry baskets that I currently have. They're in storage unit right now, but I think I got them, they're from Walmart, and I think I got 5 of them, and they're tall wire baskets, and they all have a muslin liner, so that'll be really fun to have matching laundry cart. Yeah, so there we go. We got some good deals, and we're ready to put them in our house, but it'll be a while till then. But it was fun. Now stay tuned. Jared's going to be posting a hunting video here shortly about his trip, which was a really, really good one. You'll have to wait and watch it. Have a good rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Bye. All right, let's go inside.